Hello, my name's Andy Redwood from mamoworld.com, and today we're going to be using BeatEdit for Audition to seamlessly loop this 4-second clip. So let's get started. We're going to start by dragging in our clip here and just selecting Load Music from the BeatEdit menu. And while that's loading, it's worth noting that it's always good to keep your quantization selected in here. We'll talk about that more in a later video. Once that's loaded in, click the Create Markers button. And now that's finished, we're going to drag this down so we can see it a bit more clearly. So I would like to select this section here, which is about 4 seconds long and 8 beats. And now we've got the markers. It's extremely easy to just drag it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you've got this repeat loop playback selected, then you can just click. And this sounds about right. So let's select Edit, Copy to New, and I'm going to go to a multi-track session. Click OK. Let's drag in our new track here. And you'll see that by default, we can't actually drag this out. That's because we need to right-click, select Loop, and then you'll see that you can drag this out as much as you like, and it loops seamlessly. And if it seems like that's easy, well, it is. That's because of the markers that BeatEdit creates. And that's it. My name's Andy Redwood from mamoworld.com. Thanks for watching.